When you think of Levoit, you probably picture their excellent air purifiers and humidifiers. But now, they're stepping into the cordless vacuum game with the LVAC-200. The cordless vacuum cleaner has quickly gained attention for its versatility, lightweight design, and strong performance. As Levoit's first venture into the cordless vacuum market, it promises features like a tangle-resistant brush, sealed filtration system, and excellent cleaning power for both carpets and hard floors. Whether tackling pet hair, fine dust, or tricky corners, this vacuum aims to deliver efficient, hassle-free cleaning. But does it truly live up to the hype? Let's find out. At just 3.2 pounds, the LVAC-200 is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its sleek, minimalistic design combines functionality with convenience. The vacuum's slim frame and responsive swivel head make it perfect for cleaning tight spaces or reaching under furniture, while its ability to stand upright without a dock ensures hassle-free storage. A thoughtful addition is the LED headlight on the vacuum floor head, which makes spotting hidden dust and debris a breeze. Assembly is quick and intuitive, with clear visual instructions guiding users to snap the components together. Once ready, the vacuum feels sturdy in hand and comfortable to use, thanks to its ergonomic grip and accessible controls. The LVAC-200 shines on both carpets and hard floors. On carpets, it picks up debris of all sizes effectively, from fine dust to larger particles, without clogging or leaving residue. It even excels at deep cleaning tasks, removing embedded dirt like sand from fibers, a challenge for many budget models. Hard floors are no exception. Its floor head includes a soft felt squeegee that improves fine debris collection while maintaining a strong seal, ensuring no dirt is left behind. In our crevice pickup tests, it performed above average, showcasing its capability to handle tricky spaces like gaps between tiles or floorboards. One of the standout aspects of the LVAC-200 is its active hair removal combs, a rare feature at this price point. This innovative design clears long hair and pet fur from the brush roll during vacuuming, saving you the frustration of manual detangling. In tests, it easily handled fur from shedding pets, leaving rugs and upholstery spotless. For pet owners, this is an invaluable feature that sets the LVAC-200 apart from other budget vacuums. True to its roots in air purification, Levoit has equipped this vacuum with a 5-stage sealed filtration system. It captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including allergens and fine dust. While it's not HEPA rated, the filtration system effectively prevents pollutants from re-entering the air, a notable advantage for households with allergies or sensitivities. The LVAC-200 offers up to 50 minutes of runtime in Eco mode using handheld tools, 30 minutes with the vacuum head, and 12 minutes in turbo mode. For regular cleaning tasks, Eco mode is more than sufficient. However, for deep cleaning carpets or handling stubborn dirt, turbo mode is recommended, albeit with a shorter runtime. What's great is the removable battery design, which allows users to purchase spares for extended cleaning sessions. Charging takes around 3 hours, which is reasonable, especially considering the longer than average runtimes recorded in real-world use. The LVAC-200 scores high on ease of use, thanks to its intuitive design and user-friendly features. It transitions smoothly between different floor types, and the flexible swivel head ensures you can clean under furniture effortlessly. The quick-release dustbin empties with the push of a button, and cleaning the vacuum head or filters is simple and mess-free. It comes with a well-rounded set of tools, including a crevice tool, a 2-in-1 pet tool, and a dusting brush. The pet tool is particularly effective at cleaning upholstery and removing fur from pet beds, while the crevice tool is perfect for those tricky corners and tight spots. The LED light on the floor head is an added bonus, illuminating debris that's easy to miss, although its beam could benefit from a slightly wider spread. Overall, the LVAC-200 strikes an impressive balance between affordability, functionality, and performance. Lightweight, powerful, and versatile, it's especially well suited for homes with pets or mixed flooring types. With features that rival pricier competitors, this vacuum proves that you don't need to overspend for effective cleaning solutions. Whether you're tackling pet hair, everyday messes, or deep cleaning carpets, the LVAC-200 is a dependable choice. If you're searching for an affordable, high-performing cordless vacuum, the Levoit LVAC-200 is worth considering. It's a strong debut for Levoit in the cordless vacuum category, setting a high bar for future innovations.